we are gonna make a recipe called Choco Heze Brownie, and I took it from Milkyz Food Channel. These are the ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, 42 gram flour, 17 gram cocoa powder, 2 pinch salt, and 400 gram Choco Heze. Now we will take a kitchen scale and put a tray on it, and to put the Choco Heze inside, we'll put a bowl on it. But when we take a kitchen scale, we have to tear the weight like this, and then we will put 400 gram Choco Heze. I accidentally did it 419, but it's okay. Now we will put the 2 eggs inside. Now the egg yolk. Now we'll beat it. Mix it very well. We will sieve the both dry ingredients and then put them in the Choco Heze bowl. Put the dry ingredients in the Choco Heze bowl. This is a 8x8 mold, and if you have been problem to scrape it, then and you are using a glass bowl, don't do it like this, do it like this. Put your hand here. Bake it in this pot, and you can use any type of pot or oven. Alhamdulillah, the brownie is done, and my mother will help me take it out. Alhamdulillah, my Choco Heze brownie is ready. Thank you Milkyz Food for organizing the Choco Heze Kids competition, and I'm a Choco Heze hero.